Hi, hello, excellent slides here. We create excellent presentations. Please remember to like and share this video and subscribe our valuable channel. You can also follow our social media. In this video, I will teach you how to design this modern and catchy slide in PowerPoint as usual. Alright, so let's get into it. As you can see, on the left side of this slide, we have a photo in black and white, so a grayscale, and a major color is black and yellow. Here we have our title slide with a square. Here we have a kind of divider between body text and our title, and of course right here we have our body text. And yeah, actually guys, this slide is one of the slides from my course on Udemy. Of course, I will attach a link to this course under this video. And I have a great news for you. This course is completely for free. Yeah, so enroll now and you will find out how to design modern and catchy PowerPoint presentation. And right now, I think we can start with designing this slide. So as you can see, this slide is not complex. I would say it's kind of minimalistic because we have only a few shapes, right? A few colors, yeah, and everything is consistent. Alright, so I think we will start with this photo. So as you can see, this photo is cropped already, but if I reset the picture, yeah, alright, so this is an original picture, right? Of course, this is not grayscale, so go to the picture format, color, and right here, saturation 0% is the same like grayscale. Alright, but next thing, as you can see, this photo is cropped to this kind of line, right? So let's do so. So we have to have our shape. So we have to have our picture and our shape. So there is a picture and here is a photo. And we have to select as a first our photo and as a second this shape. Now you need to go to the shape format, merge shapes, and intersect. Actually subtract. Yeah, perfectly. Actually subtract. So yeah, the next thing is this yellow rectangle. So Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. As you can see, the color is the same color. This is the same yellow, but transparency is set to 20%. I decided to add this transparency 20% because when transparency was set to 0%, I thought it looks much better with some transparency added. So I decided to add 20% of transparency. Alright, the next thing is this title. As you can see, I used railway font and bold version. It's really quick and easy to create this title, so I will just copy and paste it. And as you can see, without this square, this slide looks boring. And that's why I added this square, because with this square, this yellow square, it looks extremely much better, right? So yeah, so Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and as you can see now this square is above our title. We cannot see our title, so yeah, like you think, we have to send it to back. All right. The next thing is this divider. So I will make it manually. So let's just make a rectangle, something like here, and of course change the color. So right here, eyedropper, and just pick this yellow color. All right, and you may wonder how to align this divider with this title. So I suppose you think you have to select both of these objects, go here to align, and align right. And on the first, and you know, it's, I would say, proper, but not perfect, because you know, technically it is aligned to the right, but as you can see, if you position this rectangle to the top, of course this rectangle and this text box, they are aligned to the right, but as you can see, this text box ends right here, but our letters, the last letter is E in this case, ends right here. So unfortunately we have to move this divider to the left, and as you can see now, it is perfectly and visually aligned to the right, but technically it is not, because technically it would be if you select these two shapes, align and align right, but I think it's much more important to align things visually than properly technically, right? And the last thing is our body text. So of course this is lorem ipsum. You can watch our tutorial about lorem ipsum if you don't know what it is. And here is a kind of subtitle, a paragraph, 10,000, for instance, 10,000 more customers, more workers, more income, anything you can imagine. So just copy and control. All right, and this is how presents our slide, our modern slide. So summing it up, there is a course on Udemy that I created for you, for my viewers. It's completely free, so you can enroll now. I will attach a link in comments and in the video description. And I think that's all. So if you liked this slide design, please give us likes below and subscribe our valuable channel. Have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.